Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So excited today because it is Taco Tuesday. Hey, you know what that means. So I've been really wanting to make these tacos for a very long time. I've had them a few times, I've had them different ways, really love them. We're gonna go with it, birria tacos. So excited. I'm gonna be using beef, so it's beef birria tacos. So let's get busy and let's go over these delicious ingredients.
Beef ribs, yellow onion, white onion, garlic, diced fire roasted tomatoes, cilantro, beef bouillon, water, apple cider vinegar, corn tortillas, and shredded Monterey Jack cheese. There will be a multitude of beautiful spices and chilies. Now grab 4 Guajillo, 2 Padilla, and 2 New Mexico chilies. You will be removing the stems and all the seeds from the dried chili pods. Then after all that hard work, take a shot.
Okay, so grab a pot, and then we're gonna grab our 2 cups of our homemade beef broth. It's so good. Pour it in, and you're gonna throw in your chilies, and we're gonna boil them for about 20 minutes. That way they're nice and soft before we throw them in the blender. Okay, so now we're going to start cooking our meat just till it's nicely golden brown. We're gonna saute it, we're gonna season it with some salt and pepper, and then we're gonna throw all the other good stuff in the blender. So let's get busy.
Now drop in a little olive oil. Season your beef with a little salt and pepper. Once your beef has a golden brown crust, remove and set aside. Now go ahead and drop in 1 diced yellow onion, throw in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to break down the beef fragment flavors. Next, I'll be adding in 6 cloves of minced garlic. Return beef to pan and simmer on low for 5 minutes.
Okay, so now our chilies are done boiling. They've sat for about a good 20 minutes and they've cooled off. We're gonna go ahead and dump it in here along with all the beef broth, and then we're gonna start throwing in the rest of our ingredients.
So add in 2 chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, 15-ounce can of diced fire roasted tomatoes, 1 tablespoon oregano, 6 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 whole cloves, 8 black peppercorns, and then a half of a cinnamon stick. So once you have everything in, blend together real well until everything is completely pureed. Oh yeah, there's always time for another shot.
Okay, so now that is all blended up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my meat and my onion mixture. I'm gonna cook everything in my Instapot. That way it's gonna go a little bit faster. I'm gonna cook it on high for about 1 hour, and then we're gonna check it and see how it goes.
All right, so let's begin by adding our meat to our Instapot. Then we'll be adding in that beautiful consomme sauce. Go ahead and add some water to the pot just until it covers your meat. Blend everything together, then set your timer for 1 hour on high heat.
Okay, so it's been an hour in my little Instapot. Let's get this going, and we're gonna start making these tacos because I can hardly wait.
Now only remove your meat from the pot and place in a separate dish.
All right, so once you've removed all your meat out of that pot, I'm gonna start shredding this and make sure you to remove all the bones. This one, I don't even know where the meat's at. All right, so now that you're getting your meat all nicely shredded, I mean, you guys, this stuff is literally melting off the bone. It is so tender, so juicy. These tacos are gonna be so good. I cannot wait. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get these ready. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna taste our sauce, and I'm gonna see if I need to add some salt. I'm going to add a little. Right now I'm going to start off with 1 teaspoon, and if I need to add some more, I will. It's hot. Nope, that's perfect. 1 teaspoon. I mean, if you want more, go ahead, but that's good for me. Whew. I love it. Oh my God. It's so good. All right. So now we're going to start making these little queso tacos.
Now with a ladle, skim the top of your consomme sauce and drop it in your pan so you can fry up that taco. Right, so once the shell has slightly softened, go ahead and start adding your shredded Monterey Jack cheese. All right, so let's start adding that beautiful shredded beef to our taco. You can also, for flavor, add some diced white onion and then add some cilantro. Now go ahead, fold that taco in half and fry it up on both sides until it has a nice crisp texture.
Okay, you guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This has been a long wait. I am so excited to try these. These look so good. I went ahead and added some onion and cilantro to our sauce. So I'm gonna dip it, and you know what's next? Taste time. All right, so what goes better with a shot of tequila is some tacos. So here we go. I'm so excited. They say just dip it in. It's gonna get messy, but the messier, the better. Oh my God. Wow. Yes, I mean, there's a lot of work that goes into these tacos, but it is so worth it. I'm sure I have sauce all over my face right now, you guys. But, I mean, these are so good. All right, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, head over to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Check out the Jen and Gina show. If you guys make these, please take pictures, tag us in it, tell us what you think. I love to hear all your guys' comments. It means so much to us. Don't forget to check out my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay, just click the button right here. See you guys soon.